In today's video, we're going to go over and show you how to assemble and make this fun little ghost poncho. This pattern has 3 files. The first one are the instructions, basically going over the printing settings, how to tape and assemble the pattern, the link to the video, the fabric and material layout. And then the second file is the face applique. So in the pattern instructions, I gave you 2 different sizes that you can print out and choose from, or you can use the cut file, the SVG format of the applique, and send it off to your cutting machine, and then they cut out the face for you instead if you want to iron that onto the costume. Third file is the pattern itself, so let's go ahead and start assembling the pattern. I always recommend that you print out the first page of the pattern file, and I tell you this because you don't want to waste ink or paper, and you just want to verify that the printing settings are correct, right? And so yeah, just measure this pink square that measures 2 by 2 inches, and if it does, you're good to go. You can print out the rest, and we know that the pattern is on the correct scale. When taping up the pattern, we're going to be cutting one side of the paper, so I have A1 and A2, and we're gonna cut again one side of the paper, and we're going to match it on the dotted line from corner to corner. We're going to start by first sewing the face applique onto the front of the poncho. So I'm cutting the face out of felt, and I'm going to pin this and then sew this on the fabric. Slowly be sewing and passing the face applique through the machine. Like I told you guys earlier, you have the option to use your cutting machine instead if you want to heat press the face. And here it is, the face has been sewn onto the front of the poncho, and now we're ready to pin the front and back together, right sides, and sew the side seams. We're going to be sewing 1/2 inch seam allowance. Thing we need to do before we start working on the hood is decide what to do with the hem of the poncho. That is up to you. Basically, because we're using fleece for this project, the fabric technically doesn't fray, so you can leave it with the raw edge. You can also just pass it with the serger. That's what I did with mine. Or if you really want to create a hem, you can do a 1/4 hem all around the bottom of the poncho. That would be up to you what you want to do with that. Now let's go ahead and put this to the side for a moment, and let's start working on the hood. So you have 2 pieces, place them right sides together, and we're going to be sewing 1/2 inch seam allowance. Here's the hood. Now we're going to finish it by creating a hem on the edge. So we're going to be taking in a 1/2 inch and sewing this down to the other side. And here's our hood. Now we're ready to pin everything together on the neckline of the poncho. So the first thing I always like to do is mark the middle front and then middle back. And then I'm going to start pinning from the back first, matching the back seam of the hood to the back. And then we're going to take the front of the hood to the front of the poncho. And you want to overlap this a little bit. So 1, 2, and then pin that. And then we can start pinning the sides. Here it is. We're going to be sewing 1/2 inch seam allowance all around the neckline. And here it is, you guys. We are done. Like I told you guys, super easy project. I will go ahead and link the pattern down below in case you guys want to check it out, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.